Hi there, welcome to Sense 2, the touchscreen simulation tool you have been waiting for. In this short tutorial, we're going to witness the simplicity of Sense and set up a complete touchscreen analysis in literally a few minutes. But don't take our word for it, see for yourself. Starting off, you have to select the analysis type and the controller you're going to use. You can choose a controller from the library or add your own controller by simply defining a few specifications. Click Add and your controller is added to the library for future use. Now it's time to define the touch sensor's electrode pattern. Sense includes a variety of predefined, parameterized and ready-to-use patterns that make your life easier. No need to create a model from scratch anymore. All you have to do is input the dimensions of the pattern and Sense takes care of the rest. And what about your own customized patterns? Of course you can import them too using Sense's import module. And by the way, using the integrated design tool, you can recreate almost any pattern and even create new ones. A sensor needs a stack-up, and all it takes to create one is just a few clicks. Just select how many layers are required, the thickness of each layer, and what material is used in each one. That's it. The stack-up is completely customizable. You can even add a grounded plane to it that represents the display underneath the sensor and move the sensor electrodes between the layers. You can choose the materials directly from Sense's library, or, again, you can simply add your own custom materials. Moving on to some helpful new features. The resistance of the electrodes has a big impact on the touch panel's charging time. Select the resistance computation tool, then input the sheet resistance of the electrodes and Sense will calculate the resistance of each electrode. A touchscreen is made to be, well, touched. But what about all the different types of pointers that affect touch detection? In Sense, you can change the pointer geometry to simulate a variety of pointers ranging from different sized fingers to passive styli. Last but not least, the parametric analysis setup. Sense allows the designer to perform hundreds of simulations with just a few clicks to ensure the touchscreen performs well throughout its whole active area. You can choose to perform simulations in all three dimensions and start from the center of the touchscreen, its edges, or the corners. This concludes the simulation setup process of Sense. All that's left is to click the Solve button. Sit back, relax, and let Sense create the 3D model, mesh it in an optimum way, assign nets, perform all the parametric simulations, and visualize the results in an intuitive way that provides instant insights on your design. For example, using the capacitance map, check the way the mutual capacitance between the electrodes changes over different finger positions. Or use the plots to see whether the touch sensor operates within the controller's limits. Naturally, you can export all the simulation data and graphs in different formats. And to make your life even easier, Sense creates a complete automated report summarizing the whole project and providing an overview of the results. We promised to make Sense the simplest, fastest, and most reliable touchscreen simulation tool there is. And at Fieldscale, we keep our promises.